Hey everyone, so in today's video I will be teaching guys watching of how to add your Patreon link to YouTube videos. So in order to make it a clickable, you need to add HTTPS at the starting of the URL, and in this case it would read https://www.yourchannelname.com, and you can also leave out a www, and if you want to make it read coach your channel name https.com, check that your urls are clickable in your YouTube description and do the above, as this is one of our so yeah, this is how you can easily make a URL clickable of what you want to say, your Patreon. So you can see this example that they have given that their Patreon link of www.theirchannelname.com, or you can also write https and then your channel name then .com. So yeah, this is how you can easily make a Patreon link in their YouTube channel, on your YouTube channel's videos, for to get support by your viewers. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how you can easily add a clickable link. That's all from my side. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video till the end.